What's going on YouTube? Ty back again with another video. In today's video, I'm doing the Power XL Vortex air fryer. I got this air fryer during Black Friday at Target or Target, and it was $50. So I'm going to do a review about it, what I like or don't like about it, and show you the features of it. You want to pick this up. By the way, if you want to pick it up, I have a link below the video. It'll take you straight to Amazon, and you want to pick this up yourself, but you want an in-depth review, here we go. So this is smaller than my previous air fryer from the start. My first one I had was fiberware from Walmart, and it was decent, but the knob broke off, and it was okay. It was like $60. This is $10 cheaper. It's all digital. Okay, so that's nice too. It was real shiny. It's not a big air fryer. It's very light compared to my other one. It's not as big. Compared to this one, it's very light compared to it. This shows you, it comes with instructions right here, how to use it, how to move the basket, how to load the basket, how to cut it on, how to remove the basket, so forth. So we'll cut this. So before we cut it on, let's go ahead and take this out. So it fits out like this. Here's the inside, the Vortex. So it's a deep, it's okay. It's deep enough, you can see that. Like I said, it's a little bigger than my other one. And this basket comes off so you can clean it. So I have done this earlier. It's hard to get out of here. But let me put the camera down for a second. Sorry about that. This thing, yeah, pull out behind it. Okay. So you can take out the bottom tray. If you get this tray, you can take out and clean the bottom. When I first opened this, I'm like, how am I gonna clean all the grease and stuff falls to the bottom? But you could go ahead and wash this in the, in the sink. And you can wash this whole thing out, which is pretty nice too. But last one, I didn't like it because you have to wash the whole thing. So the only problem I have with this is once this thing started getting greasy, it'll be harder to pull up. Now this is brand new, and it took me some muscle to get it open, to pull it out. You gotta twist it and pull it out. And over time, when grease hits it and grease gets into it, it's gonna be harder and harder to pull out. So I don't like that fact. I wish it was a little bit easier to pull out. But let's put this back in here. Like that. It gets in there. So that goes in there. So that goes in there. All right. So we put this back in here. And as you can see, it cuts off. It cuts off when it's not on when the basket's out. Okay, so we put this in. So now it's back on. So it was all digital. So to turn it on, of course, you hit the power button, and you have your fish. You have, pizza, steak, chicken, shrimp. The temperature here, down, up. Not sure what this is, but it's the timer here as well. And you can hold it down and you can put it on a timer. Change the degrees. Now, I'm not sure what this button does. I guess that's almost like a defrost setting. 2-minute setting. Fish has a certain degree. Chicken, steak. So yeah, so it's gonna turn on, and hope you can hear that. So it's on, it's running. Make sure when you get yours, there'll be cardboard inside the basket here, so don't just turn this on when you first get it. Make sure you go through it. I'll show you. It's hot already. Not super hot, but it's hot. There was cardboard inside of here, so don't just plug this up and turn it on. make sure you go through this, put a basket out, and get the cardboard out of here. But, so it's off. Now this is kind of, you gotta push it hard. Now it's back on where you was at. You turn the temperature down, you want to. You can add timers. You can turn it off. And it's cutting off now. So it's off. We're gonna cut off whenever it's ready. Or you gonna unplug it to cut it off. I usually unplug it. There we go, and it's off. And it's off. And, oh. Okay, that's like 5 beeps. I wish it was just 3 beeps or 2 beeps. Cause if I turn it off, I want to keep on beeping, but that's just me. So you see how it works. You see, turning it off, it takes about a minute for it to cut off. It beeps 5 times after it cuts off. But this light stays on all the time. So you unplug it, hit that again, and you just put on whatever. There's no French fry button on here as well. I wonder what this does. That might just warm the food up. I don't know. But you can turn the temperature down. Again, timer. You can have it on what settings as well. So, and it's back on. It's running. It's not loud. My last one was really loud. This one is not. This is really quiet. If you can hear the sound. It's not loud at all. So my thing is, if you want to change it, you can change the time. You can change the temperature. Not sure how high it goes, but maybe 400 degrees, probably the max. And you can turn it off, or you can't hit none of this button. So that's how you turn it off and turning it off. So not a bad air fryer for $50 from Black Friday. It might be a little higher now, depending on when you're watching this video. Here's the instructions manual that comes with it. Here's the 5 beeps. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here's the Power XL air fryer, Vortex air fryer. There's a quick step guide that comes with it on your manual. And that's it for my review. If you're looking for an air fryer, this one's not bad. And I said, this thing is hot. I mean, it got hot fast. I think it's extremely, extremely hot. Which makes, if you look at it, since it gets so hot so fast, and you want to clean this thing, once all the grease gets down to the bottom, it's gonna be hard. You gotta, it's hot right now. You can't clean it right now. So you gotta wait till it gets warmer to clean it. But actually, again, I might use pliers to pull it out this time. So I might use some needle nose pliers as a tip for you guys. Use needle nose pliers to pull this out. So you want to still hot. That means the grease will be easier to clean, because the grease is harder when it's not hot, when it's you're saying kind of cool. So I probably use these needle nose pliers to pull this out. I can't like with one hand, but I probably use needle nose pliers to pull that out and twist it and pull it out so I could clean it. But if you keep it clean, it'll last a long time. It's $50. I got some $50 on Black Friday, and this is my review. So any comments, questions, concerns about this air fryer, let me know. I'll answer your questions for you. If you want to pick this up, I have a link below the video. Take it straight to Amazon. If you want to pick this up, it's worth the money. I haven't used it yet. I might do a follow-up video of me using it, of me frying bacon, whatever. But so far, so good. It gets hot very quickly. It got hot within like 1 or 2 minutes. It got extremely hot. It got hot enough I can't even pull the bottom out because it got super hot. So that's it in my video. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.